For a brand new vehicle, BMW has brought a vintage badge back. The brand new BMW M3 CS is now a four-wheel drive powerhouse that is capable of embarrassing its lightweight sibling. The 3.0-liter turbocharged straight-six, in this limited edition four-door, has been upgraded to produce an impressive 550 horsepower. That's exactly the same output as the six-cylinder in the BMW M4 CSL and 39 horsepower more than a regular M3 competition. The M3 CS's all-wheel drive system allows it to outperform the M4 CSL in benchmark 0 to 100 km/h sprints, requiring just 3.4 seconds, as opposed to the rear-wheel drive CSL's 3.7 seconds. The M Driver's Pack that comes standard on the new M3 CS limits its top speed to 188 mph. BMW M3 CS's interior is made in bicolor, red and black, working hand in hand, to create the ideal office for the driver. M3 CS comes standard with BMW's curved display. CS's interior appears extremely racy, thanks to two-tone color scheme, which runs from front to back. The M-specific technology combines the typical agility of a rear-wheel drive with the control typical of an all-wheel drive, which can be increased by selecting four-wheel drive sport mode, which sends more of those ponies to the rear, or even by completely disengaging the front axle by turning off DSC and making it totally rear-wheel driven. Customized settings for camber, dampers, auxiliary springs, anti-roll bars, and steering are all part of the specific CS suspension tuning. M3 CS comes standard with LASERLIGHT headlights. Large M carbon ceramic brakes are available as an option and are concealed beneath staggered lightweight alloy wheels measuring 19 inches in front and 20 inches in back. Big M brakes are standard. Another figure to consider is in the lightweight category. Thanks to a standard carbon fiber top and lightweight aero elements like the bonnet, front splitter, front air intakes, rear diffuser, and rear spoiler, this M3 CS weighs about 20 kilograms less than the standard M3 competition. Additionally, there are titanium rear exhaust backboxes, M carbon bucket seats, and carbon fiber reinforced plastic mirror caps and shifter pads. Overall, M3 CS is lighter, but at the same time stiffer. You may order it in white, green, gray, or black. Although BMW won't reveal how many it will make, the production is limited, as was already mentioned.